Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit recurring invoices on FreshBooks. So this is going to be particularly useful for people who want to invoice a client or customer every single month. So make sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to edit recurring invoices on FreshBooks. So first, what we're going to do is go onto our FreshBooks account, which looks like this right here. And next, we're going to click on Invoices. So you do want to make sure that you already have clients added to your FreshBooks account, and you also have items and services to be rendered from your FreshBooks account. So what we're going to do here is click on New Invoice. And so we'll just go ahead and choose one of our demo clients. So we'll choose Peak Performance LLC, and then we'll say that we're giving them video editing services, which is $10. So obviously you want to issue or fill out the information as far as when this invoice is being issued, the due date, the invoice number. You want to add any attachments, let's say pictures of the video editing services. Now, in order to actually edit the recurring invoice, you're going to click on this toggle menu here where it says settings. It's a bit hard to see, so go ahead and click on that. And then click on Make Recurring. Once you click on Make Recurring, it's going to give you a prompt to say convert this invoice into a recurring template, and just simply click on Make Recurring. So now what's going to happen is that once you click on Make Recurring, you're going to see this recurring schedule, how often you can set it to monthly, weekly, or you can even set a custom recurring schedule. And once you actually do that, let's say yearly, you'll see the next issue date. So the next issue date is always going to start from today. But if you want to say start on next Monday, you can easily set that up by clicking on the calendar icon. Number of invoices, let's say that a coaching client onboards with you and they're only with you for 12 months. So you can set a specific invoice to say 12 invoices are remaining. And so the delivery options, normally I set this to send invoices automatically, accept or allow clients to save credit cards to make automatic payments, and an invoice will be sent every week starting November 2024. So that is how to set up or edit recurring invoices on FreshBooks. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.